quick overview on how to change the seals, the main seals on the Drylink couplings. Now you'll need a replacement seal kit, and with that kit you get the main seal, an Allen key and 4 screws. You'll also need a seal replacement tool. This opens the seal up so you can push it over the valve without damaging it. And you'll also need some form of lubricant. Now, to change the seal, all you need to do is undo these 4 screws. Once you've taken these screws out, on the coupler, if you pull the locking bar down and open the valve, you can then just pull the seal out. And once you've done that, make sure you put the valve into the closed position. Now, all you need to do to put the new seal on is take the replacement tool, just put some lubricant around the replacement tool so that the seal doesn't get damaged when you push it over it. Okay, and you just place the seal onto the tool, put the ring on top, and then push down onto a flat surface so that it's level with the block. Then all you do is line up the screw holes and push down on the ring, and that puts the seal in place. So all you need to do then is replace the screws. Just make sure they are done up hand tight. Okay, now that's done. Now what we would suggest you do now, just to make sure the seal has seated correctly, is to again open the valve up, and close it a few times. And then you're done.